Hello there, welcome Genesis Models, my name is Bob Waldron and welcome to this inbox review. We're going to be taking a look at DeAgostini's Lotus Renault 97T. This is one of these subscription based builds. It's a magazine that you collect over a monthly period and you build along as you go along, which is rather cool because you end up with quite a colossal, very unique model to kind of put on display in your workshop, office, wherever. You know, these kind of things do look amazing when they're all done. So let's just dive in and let's have a look at the quality and how it builds and how it all goes together. So first off, we are all nicely packaged, as you can see, keeping it all nice and together. I'm just going to open this up, right, and let's just have a look at the quality of the pieces, right. The one thing we're going to be looking at with this kind of stuff is, you know, the spray work, the finish that is on here. So if we look at it, actually, we do have a very nicely shiny, but yet we can see that nice carbon fiber finish on the piece, which does look really cool. You can really sort of see that nice carbon finish. Really going to look cool on the model. We even have, oh crikey, and it's made out of metal. You can feel the weight. You do get a nice little helmet that will go on the side of our Lotus just here. Again, I mean, you know, it's all nice and shiny. The spray works on there. I'm not feeling any kind of nasty rough edges or anything like that. You know, we've got some nice kind of print on here as well. We could see that everything's in registry. The colors look good, you know, really nice indeed. What do we have here? Oh, I don't even know what this is. Oh, some sort of transfers or stickers to go with it. We'll check them out later. What you do, what is also rather cool is they do also provide tools to come with it as well, so you get some nice free tools. You know, because this is the cool thing about these is, you know, this is the kind of build that anyone can do, any kind of level, basic, intermediate, you know, advanced, old timers, beginners. You know, doesn't matter. You know, it's a really easy build to do, right? And I'll just show you a few examples of the easiness of this. Even all our screws, you know, we are labeled with letters so that we get the right screw for the right job. If we look at the instructions as well, well, first off, I mean, you know, you do get a magazine here which does kind of give you some sort of like history, tells you about the cars and the racetracks, and, you know, really gets you into the whole F1 kind of vibe with that. And as we get to the instructions are very nicely laid out and very clear, right? As you can see, it will show you all the pieces that we get in this kit, and if we just kind of go through this, it will give you, you know, proper good quality pictures, showing you, you know, which screw AP goes into whatever. It even gives you little descriptions to go with it, so it really is kind of child's play on how easy it is that you can put this together. So any level can do this. So let's have a little bit of building and see how we get on. So here's issue one. I really didn't have to turn the camera on and show you any fit problems or anything like that. You know, we are all together. We've got our front wing sections here. It was just screwing them in, real easy to do. Anyone could do it. We even got our visor on our helmet as well. So build wise, really cool. Another quick one I want to show you about the quality of these pieces. I have noticed, right, if we sort of have a look here, inside here, you might sort of notice there's ejector pin marks along this one piece just here. That is normally a pet hate and a worry in scale modeling, but I have already looked at the instructions, and what I do like about the way they kind of think about the way these builds go together, you know, things like ejector pin marks, if we look just here in the instructions, it does show you that it's going to get covered up by another piece, so we haven't got to worry about them. So I just thought I'd throw that out there, kind of showing you, you know, if there's, you know, a little discrepancy like that, it does get covered up, so it's quite cool in that sense. You do get a load of like spare screws as well, which is rather cool, just in case you lose any or they go flying across the room. Now this model, right, it is in 1/8 scale, right? It's gonna be a whopping 50 centimeters long, so this is you know, quite a big piece. As I say, it's a nice show piece that you can really show off. Now that's not all. I mean, you know, when you do subscribe, you do kind of subscribe to get the free gifts that come with it. I do believe there's a t-shirt, there's a poster, there's a cool 140 freescale die cast version, so you get like a baby version of the Lotus, which is again very cool. And you know, this is quite nice and easy. But if you subscribe via PayPal as well, you also get another free gift, which is you get the 3 of these helmets, and these helmets I do believe were in 1 in 5 scale, so you get some cool helmets to go with it as well. So all very cool stuff. Does look like it's a very nice, relaxing, enjoyable build. It's so easy, it kind of makes it nice and relaxing, as I say, therapeutic to actually go off and build. It's quite exciting to receive them every month and have a nice little build until it's all done. So yeah, definitely a nice big recommended build here at Genesis Models. So as always, until next time, my name's Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.